See, 10 years, around 12 years back, India had a target of installing 20,000 megawatt. And to us, everyone was thinking this target is too big. When Modi government came and they revised the target, not only to 20,000 megawatt, they said 1 lakh megawatt. That means 1 lakh megawatt. And we are happy to share, as of last month, we have already achieved 62 gigawatt against 100 gigawatt. So towards net zero, progress is very, very fast. And I am sure the kind of initiative the government is taking, say in terms of giving subsidy on the rooftop, in terms of giving a production-linked incentive scheme for the production of the solar panel manufacturing, in terms of giving subsidy on the GST. If you are buying SPGS, solar power generating system, they are giving 12% tax rate, even on the battery. So I am quite sure that we will take initiative, we are taking initiative and will be much ahead. Earlier when the hybrid technology came, around 12 years back, market was not moving so fast because there were confusion among the government officers in giving net metering on the hybrid system, and the tariff of the electricity based on the timing was not there. Nowadays if you see, TOD has come. So now the people have the tendency to use electricity, charge the battery at the time of lean hours and use the electricity at the time of peak hours. We see a very, very huge scope in terms of huge growth of hybrid technology right now. Battery storage system. Every factor. See, in the on-grid, when there is no grid, then you are wasting the energy. In the off-grid, when battery is full and load is not there, again you are wasting the energy. In the hybrid technology, whether power is available or not, in every case you are utilizing the solar energy. This is one of the biggest reasons, because when you are installing solar system, it is an expensive system. Each and every drop of energy should be utilized. So this is one big reason of the promotion of hybrid. And number two, you need backup not only daytime, even in the night time, and whenever there is a power cut. Microtech journey in the power backup industry was started 3 decades ago, and we are happy to share with you. We had taken the initiative of Atmanirbhar and Make in India 3 decades back. We have 10 manufacturing plants in Himachal Pradesh. We have a global R&D centers, and we are making sure we provide innovative products, latest technology products at very, very affordable price, not only to Indian consumers, even to the export market. Currently, if you see in the solar, we have complete range of the off-grid product, we have complete range of the on-grid products, we have complete range of the battery, we have SMU. SMU means if a customers are having inverter and a battery and they want to convert it into solar, we have the solutions available. So, and we have the complete range of the solar panels. Latestly, we have launched 545 watt panel in the non-DCR category and the DCR category. See, handholding support, our consumers are getting the handholding support. When we are selling complete systems, solar power generating system, they are getting the tax benefit. So in a way, it is an impact on the cost to the consumers. So it's a promotion support for us to promote our product to the end consumers.